A soft, delicate, creamy lemon custard cake served with a dusting of icing sugar, whipped cream, fresh berries. This is for everyone craving a lemony flavored dessert. You just gotta try this lemon custard cake. In many ways, this cake recipe defies logic. In fact, you'll hear people say this cake is magical when they take their first bite. We're talking about lemon flavoring, sugary butter notes, then whipped egg whites. But when the cake bakes, it gets all glorious and custardy in the middle. Why don't I just show you how to make it? Let's go. Let's start by preheating the oven to 325 degrees. Next, we're gonna grease a 9 by 9 inch metal baking pan, then add a parchment liner to the bottom. We're gonna set the prepared pan to the side. It's a lemon cake, right? So grab 2 or 3 lemons, depending on the size. We're gonna give them a roll to release the juices, then zest them. We're looking for 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. We can reserve the zest to the side. Cut the lemons in half, juice them, then you're gonna need 1/4 cup of lemon juice for the cake, plus measure off an additional 1 teaspoon. You're gonna be adding this to the egg whites in a little bit. The recipe calls for 4 large eggs. They are at room temperature. Separate them. Whites into a medium-sized bowl, egg yolks into a bowl a little bit bigger. Then we're gonna add that teaspoon of lemon juice to the egg whites. Grab your hand mixer and beat the egg whites until stiff. You can set them to the side. Egg yolks. Let's add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. There's no need to clean the beaters, just beat the egg yolks and sugar to combine. Continuing with the hand mixer running on medium, we're adding 1/2 cup of melted butter. Then let's add 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. And let's also add 1/4 cup of lemon juice. We're gonna beat on medium speed until combined. Now comes flour. 3/4 cup of unbleached all-purpose flour. Add it slowly, little by little, mixing it well. Final ingredient, slowly, 2 cups of whole milk. It's lukewarm. As we add it in, we're gonna mix the batter thoroughly. Now gently fold in the egg whites. We're trying to eliminate any lumps. We're gonna add the egg whites in thirds. Pour the batter into the prepared pan, transfer it to the oven, and bake for 45 to 50 minutes. The top of the cake should be light and golden, the center firm, a tiny bit springy. Cool the cake completely, then to serve, lift it out of the pan. Let's cut the cake first, and then we're gonna add a dusting of icing sugar. We can transfer squares to dessert plates. In case you're wondering, this lemon custard cake loves whipped cream and fresh berries. Do a little sprig of mint. Ready to make it? We thought so. Full recipe is up at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when a dessert is this spectacular, take a picture of it. Post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Okay, watch as I dig into this soft, delicate, creamy lemon custard cake. It is absolutely delicious. In fact, it's all quite magical. This is such a great cake. You gotta make it. Fab. Beauty.